Ever see a reel on Facebook and suddenly lose it? You didn't like it, you didn't save it, and now it's completely gone? You're not crazy. Facebook actually keeps track of reels you've watched, but most people never know where to look. Instead of scrolling endlessly hoping it shows up again, here's what to do. Open the Facebook app and tap on the video, also called the Watch tab. This is the section where Facebook shows reels and videos. Now look at the top right corner of the screen and tap the profile icon, the small person icon. When this menu opens, tap Watched Reels. This section shows you reels you've watched recently, even if you didn't like them, comment on them, or save them at the time. So if a reel played and disappeared before you could react, this is the first place you should check. And if you're still trying to narrow it down, there are two more useful options here. Tap Liked Reels to see every reel you've liked in the past. This is helpful if you remember liking the video but forgot to save it. Or tap Saved Reels to find videos you intentionally saved to watch later. Between Watched Reels, Liked Reels, and Saved Reels, you can usually find almost any Facebook reel you've seen before. So next time a reel disappears, don't stress and don't keep scrolling. Facebook already stored it. You just needed to know where to look.